Hi friends, welcome to Mama Elephant's February release. This release is filled to the brim with super cute products. We have 5 new stamp and die sets, as well as 3 standalone die sets. The first stamp set we're introducing today is Little Agenda Fawn. This new stamp set features 11 different images. It has 4 different critters and all kinds of things to build your farm scene. My favorite images have to be the little pig as well as the tractor. Of course, this stamp set comes with matching dies, and as you can see, for both the chicken coop as well as the tractor, it cuts out the little window. The second set I'm showing you is the new Spring Banner Greetings. This set features 12 easy die-cut sentiments. We have Welcome Spring, Spring is here, Happy Easter, Hello Little One, Hello Sunshine, Oh Hello Friend, Love You Always, Loads of Love, Love Grows Here, Congrats Grad, Happy Everything, and a Sweet Surprise. Now let's get to the coloring. I will be showing you how I color the tractor from the Little Agenda Farm. You can find a description of the products I used for making the card in this video in the box below. And I hope you will be able to forgive me for my rookie mistake of you having to look at my hair the entire time I color. I learn a new thing each video I make, and I promise to do better next time. After I finish coloring, I use a white Sakura Jelly Roll pen to add some white highlights. And that's it for the coloring. Let's get to putting together the card. I used the Slim Card Basics set to cut out the scalloped rectangle from some Kraft cardstock. I also cut out the stitched rectangle from some cardstock fit for ink blending, and I used some stencils to ink blend a ground, a sky, and a grassy field in the back. I'm gluing down a couple of images directly onto the back of the card. The other images I'm popping up with some foam tape. I had already prepared my Hello Sunshine sentiment from the Spring Banner Greetings, and I'm adhering it with some foam tape. And that finishes my card for today. I hope you love the little agenda farm and the banner greetings as much as I do. Please leave a comment below for a chance to win a prize from Mama Elephant, and I'll see you tomorrow for more introductions. Bye!